Hello everyone, I hope you look good and you all are practicing problems. Let us for now get at this one. And what is said in the question? A balloon of total mass m. So there is a balloon and it has a fixed size and it starts coming down with an acceleration f. So it is coming down with acceleration f which is less than g. Okay, the fraction of total mass of balloon which must be dropped from it so that it starts going up with an acceleration f. क्वेश्चन ये कह रहा है कि इससे मुझे कितने मास को हटाना चाहिए फ्रैक्शन ऑफ व्हाट मास शुड बी रिमूव्ड सो दैट आफ्टर दैट इट विल स्टार्ट मूविंग अप विद द सेम एक्सेलरेशन एफ ओके सबसे पहले तो आप इस क्वेश्चन को डीपली एनालाइज करो क्लियरली जैसे देखो ये फ्रीली फॉल नहीं कर रहा फर्स्ट थिंग बिकॉज इट्स एक्सेलरेशन इज नॉट जी डाउनवर्ड डन है सो देयर मस्ट बी सम एक्सटर्नल फोर्स एक्टिंग ऑन दिस बॉडी इन द अपवर्ड डायरेक्शन which is I mean making net force less than that of mg then so there must be some external force F. And here also it is said that assuming negligible air resistance. So this force cannot be of air resistance. Then so this external force maybe is getting supplied from somewhere. We don't have to worry about it, but it's not air resistance. क्योंकि देखो अगर air resistance होता तो air resistance का क्या काम है? If it is coming down, air resistance force will act in the upward sense, and if it is going up, in that case air resistance will act in the downward sense. So direction reverse होगा. But यहाँ पे in the question it is not said that uh, air resistance is there. So we just have to deal with F like this is some external force, constant external force. Done है? So initially अगर आप लिखो तो आप क्या लिखोगे mg minus F is equal to ma. And A is equal to how much? F. So here you write mf. This is the first equation. Now suppose कर लो इससे आपने m mass को हटा दिया. Now this is going up with acceleration F. So it has F force acting upward and mg force acting downward. Sorry, not mg, m minus mg. Okay, so this is m minus mg. Now if you write the force equation, net force acting in the upward direction, this is this. और नेट फोर्स अपवर्ड डायरेक्शन में ही क्यों लगेगा क्योंकि एक्सेलरेशन अपवर्ड डायरेक्शन में है एंड दिस इज इक्वल टू m माइनस m f. ओके f का वैल्यू आप फर्स्ट इक्वेशन से पुट कर सकते हो f इज इक्वल टू हाउ मच m g माइनस f. सो लेट अस पुट इट हियर m g minus mf minus mg plus mg is equal to m minus mf. Okay, so this will be how much mg, this is going to get cancelled and then this is your I mean small m. आई मीन कैपिटल एम को माइनस नहीं कर सकते क्योंकि वो ज्यादा बड़ा है ठीक है सो एक काम कर लो माइनस को आप कॉमन ले लो सो दिस विल बिकम m. Okay, so we don't need to take it common, right? कुछ भी common नहीं है. So let us write it like this. mg minus mf is equal to how much? mf minus mf. Done it? So whatever things are same, just take it on the same side. So this is mf and this is mf. So mg will become how much? 2mf minus mf. ठीक है? So what is small m? Small m हमें मिल रहा है, right? So no, I mean, yeah, a small m निकालने के लिए again we need to take this mf this side. So this m g plus f is equal to 2mf, right? Properly solve कर लो आप. So this is small m का value क्या दिख रहा है 2mf by g plus f. Okay, we have to talk about fraction of mass taken out. Exact mass हमने कितना बाहर लिया है m mass को बाहर ले लिया है. ठीक है then only rest mass is m minus m. So what is the fraction of mass taken? So fraction of mass taken is m को लिया है total था m, so this is fraction of mass taken. So m by m का value कितना आ रहा है तुम्हारा 2f by g plus f. So this will be your answer, right? Let us see 2f by g plus f, 2f by g plus f. So which one will be correct? This one will be correct. Okay, I hope you understood it. You just needed to analyze the things carefully. Done it? And you just have to be careful about this F is not the resistive force. So its direction will stay constant. Okay. So this was all. I hope you've understood. But if you have any doubt anywhere, you can always let me know in the comment section. Thank you. Take care of yourself. Bye-bye.